Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You should know up front, I cannot provide step-by-step instructions to access restricted hidden services. Instead, focus on why precautions matter. Learn about threat models, legal boundaries, and safe computing habits. Once you accept those limits, make sure to study official privacy tool documentation and community resources that discuss concepts, not operational directions. This approach reduces harm while improving your knowledge of anonymity principles and risk mitigation for legal, legitimate use cases. Next, concentrate on concepts you can learn safely. Understand how anonymity networks route traffic, why isolation matters, and why de-anonymization risks exist. Once done, practice safe system hygiene. Isolate activities in virtual machines, minimize identifying data, and limit plugins or scripts. Make sure to test theory in legal, controlled environments and to study official project security guides. These conceptual steps teach you how systems work without providing operational instructions that could enable misuse. Finally, wrap up by seeking authoritative, non-operational guidance. Read official documentation and academic materials that explain architectures and threat mitigations rather than how-to procedures. Once done, engage with reputable communities to discuss research questions and safety best practices. If you encounter confusion or potential legal exposure, make sure to pause and consult a qualified security professional or legal counsel. A key troubleshooting tip: stop and reassess when instructions feel risky or ambiguous. Do not proceed without expert confirmation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.